Good morning, e-Pirates. It's Monday, August 24th, our first day of virtual learning. We're going to take this week pretty simple so you're not overwhelmed. So your goals today are to get logged into your Google Classroom. And in the email that I sent on Friday, I put in our class code, which you'll need to be able to log in. Once you get into your Google Classroom, you go to classwork and it has all of our assignments for today under August 24th. Your goals today are to complete MathFacts Pro, so 50 questions. MathFacts, we're starting with addition, and then log into your Kids A to Z account. And I want you to complete the reading placement test so that your books will be on your level. And there is also a slide under writing that I want you to complete. It's an All About Me Google slide. When you do that, make sure you don't mess with anybody else's Google slide. We only want to do our own. So I did an example for me, and then scroll down to one that still says your first name. That means nobody's messed with that one. If somebody's name is on that slide, then they've already started working on that and you don't want to mess with that one. So make sure you start with a new slide, and it's okay to look through and see what other people have put on theirs and get to know them, but don't mess with it. If you have any questions, let me know, and I can't wait to see you on our Zoom at 10.